this is chamfer foil gel. And this one I am going to key it for 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds, everyone. And I have 3 different foil right here. From this cool solids foil. There are 10 different colors. So I'm using the red, red, blue, and silver. You see the gray here, but I'm using a silver. And I'm gonna crumble this. All 3 of them. I just get a smaller piece. And then you can put 3 of them together and just dab it on the nails, or you can just get them separate by itself. It doesn't matter. I just want a little bit background of 3 colors. But if you want a whole piece or the bigger, more foil, you can just get a whole piece. I think I need some red on it. This is really cool, simple way. You see me do it all the time with different season. All right. That's better. I know why is the light is just too bright.
No, I lowered it.
Yes, Jess. Yes, Jess, you can encapsulate chamfer foil design with acrylics, love. If you go into our IGTV after a live video, you can search for a lot of different liquid and powder acrylic tip and tricks. There are so many different encapsulating with chamfer foil design as well. So I am going to using this Weaver Gels Crimson Red. And I have like 5 different toothpicks here, and I tape it with regular Scotch tapes right there. And I am going to pick this. Good. Just pick it. Santella, this is the techniques I'm showing with you. Just tap just a little bit. Pick just really light. All right. Touch really light. It will give you I am going to flash key it for like 30 seconds. Quick. I'm gonna wipe it off on this one from piece of paper so I won't touching on the others. And I am going to this colors of Weaver Gels with magnetic blue right here. Hi, Annie. Hello, Aini. Did I say it right? Hi, Nuna. Hi, Janae, Sonia. You are very welcome, Jess. Pretty ladies, hello, how are you? And then if you want to get another colors, also pick this. There's a lot of cool going on. I just pick really like, you just dip it in really, how do I say, you don't dip it all the way down, because if it's light touch, really light touch, you don't need a whole lot because this is so pigmented. Like you see me just barely touch the surface of the weaver gels, and then I can pick them all. Even if you pick with just dot 2, just pick it really light so you can see how thin the strings is. I want just a little bit more in here. Great. All right, so now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. That's it. It's super simple, and Chatelas is gonna be really cool and easy. So if you give it a try again and let me know how things goes, leave it on the side just in case. Hey Janessie, hey love, how are you? And I am going to using condensed glue gels. And I'm gonna dress this one up. Like for instance, if the clients don't like anything else, they're good to go, then you're good. But if they want to dress it up, then I am using my condensed glue gels right here in front of me. It's really thick density. So you don't want to use too much, also too little. You only using a lot more if you use for 3Ds. Yeah, or encapsulating. So I'm gonna do a good generous layer of this because it's really thick density, so you can blend it out nicely. Close the cap so you don't cure your glue gels. Wipe up your brush. Going with my no wipe top coat. You are very welcome, Chantella. Let me know how it goes, and then I can able to assist you. All right, really like floating the top coat. You see me I'm touching on the top, but I didn't drag my condensed glue gels. I just really like floating on the top of it. And now it's really cool. It's hard to pick which ones because I feel like they are so cute and I can't. Let's see what's going on here. Maybe I should do this. In my frame. So if you get the mixed bag, for me, I always have to get, when I open the new mixed bags, I always have 2 trays because there's so many in there. And then you put 2 trays and you can able to separate them out so you can see like a lot of ideas of what you can do with. Sometimes I get overwhelming because there's a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see, I'm gonna get this. I like the curve bars here, but also now I'm starting it like, you can do straight or you can do a curve one. It looks really cool. I'm not worried about, I'm gonna adjusting them just a bit. Right now I'm gonna try to find all my curve bars right here. have a smooth color bar right there. Alright. I love do holidays nails, everyone. I don't know about you, but me, I'm so obsessed with this because love doing seasonal nails as well. I'm getting my frame. So if someone wants just simple like this, I think it's great, super cute, and being ready, good to go. Can I get the frame, Chom's frame, whatever frame it's. My tray. I have it on my side right here is the double, they stack on each other, so I'm not gonna get them. They keep stack on each other. It's just like of the arrowhead. And I'm gonna place another red stone and my beads. I just love to add the beads on it to make it look really complete. If you don't like it or the clients just don't want the beads on, it absolutely looks great as well. Alright, I'll just fill it in. Cool. I think the frames is make it looks really like the frames and the charms make it really cool. And let's see if I can get some really smaller crystal in here. I'm gonna try to find the smallest on earth. Let's see, I can random pick them. Like and add them some on. Maybe some red right there. I think it looks good. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.